Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to discuss about the financial model. In the prior video we discussed about the number of the financial parameters of a company, and in this video we are going to discuss about the revenue build-up of a company. Let's say this is the apparel brand, and there's a two brand in this. It's the AE brand and the Aries. And in the AE brand there's a two varieties. It's the men's apparel and the women's apparel. And this is the total sales number, and this is the men's apparel. Let's say this one is there, this is the women's apparel, this number is there, then this is the Aries, this number is there. So we are going to discuss about the total number is there. Let's say if we try that, like this 1176 is the total 40% of the men's apparel. Then this is the women's apparel, this is the 51% of the women's apparel, and this is the Aries, the 9% of the women's apparel. Then we have the number of stores. Let's say A is the number of the stores are there, then Aries are the number of the stores are there. Then we have the number of square feet. This is the total number of the square feet in the particular company. Then this is the Aries, the total number of square feet in this. Then we have the revenue per square feet. It's a A is the men's apparel with the accessories. Let's say these are the numbers are there. Then this is the men's revenue. So let me share that. If you divide this, if you multiply this as a number revenue per square feet into the total square feet, so this is the revenue of a particular brand, and this is the women's revenue. So if you divide this by this, so this is the revenue for the particular woman segment. Then we have the another brand, it's a Aries. Let's say this is the revenue per square feet, and it's the Aries revenue. If we multiply this per square feet into the total number of the square feet, so this is the Aries revenue. So this one number is there. Then we have the same cost sheet is also there. Sales cost have the two cost. One is direct cost, another one is the indirect cost. Direct cost is the cost of material consumed. So this is linked to the income statement. Let's say if we click here, and this we come to the income statement. This one is there. Then if we click it here, is the cost of material consumed as a percentage of sales, and is a sales into cost of material consumed. So this is one. Then we have this one, it's a cost of material consumed into 62. So this one is there. Then we have the total indirect cost, sales into HG of the sales is a cost of percentage of sales. So this one is there.